Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good, and today I'm sharing a recipe of mango mousse, and for that we need mango pulp. Of course, this is the mango pulp and I'm taking the canned mango pulp around 850 gram, and sugar 4 spoons because this mango pulp is little sour, it's not sweet, so I'm using a little bit sugar in it, and gelatin 1 full spoon, and water. I'm using these blueberries and raspberries for garnishing. It's optional. If you want, you can use it, otherwise skip this part. And heavy whipping cream, that's most important, 1/4. The heavy whipping cream and the chocolate syrup and the whipped cream is optional for garnishing. So take 1 spoon of gelatin and mix with the cold water and keep it aside for 5 to 7 minutes. Please make sure that mix it with the cold water. If you mix it with the warm water, that will not set. So use cold water and mix it and keep it aside for 5 to 7 minutes. Meanwhile, make the mixture of the mango pulp. Just heat up the pan and add mango pulp in it. Let it warm up the mango pulp and then add sugar in it and mix it well and let it cook for around 1 to 2 minutes. And when you see the sugar is dissolved in the mango pulp and it's warm up, like you see how it's bubbling, then add gelatin and stir well and cook for around 2 minutes and keep it aside in different container until it cools down. While the mango pulp is cooling down, let's prepare the serving glasses. I'm taking this chocolate syrup, around 4 tablespoons in the container, and then I will dip the serving glasses in the chocolate and then I will keep it in the freezer until it cools down. Step is completely optional. If you don't want it, you can skip this part. I'm just using this chocolate, and if you want the white chocolate, you can use the white chocolate as well. And I'm taking this syrup, the chocolate syrup, in the bowl as well, like this, because my sons like it, so I'm making this for my son. Okay, so now let's prepare the whipped cream. I kept this container and the beater in the freezer for like 30 minutes before using. And now I will add the whipping cream, that's the heavy whipping cream, around 1/4, which is 32 full ounce. I will add this in the container and I will add the condensed milk, the sweetened condensed milk, because there is no sugar in the whipped cream, the heavy whipping cream, so I'm using the condensed milk. You can use the regular sugar as well, but I think the condensed milk is the best option. And then I will whip this cream until it's get fluffy whipped cream, and which took me around 8 to 10 minutes. And when the whipped cream is ready, like it's fluffy like this, then add mango pulp, the mango mixture we made it, in the whipped cream. Make sure to add that mango mixture slowly. Do not add the entire mixture in it, because that's not gonna make it the mousse good. So just add slowly and mix it well, like fold it slowly and keep it aside for like 10 minutes in the freezer after mixing it. Take 1 Ziploc bag and put it in the glass with the help of the spoon. You can take the piping bag if you want. I'm taking the Ziploc bag and I will add the mousse in the Ziploc bag. After filling the mousse in the Ziploc bag, just squeeze all in one corner and cut it from the corner, like just a little bit, and start filling in the serving glasses. I'm going to crush this white chocolate with the help of the crusher, and I will garnish this white chocolate on the top of the mousse. It's all optional if you want to use the white chocolate or you want to use the regular black chocolate, like the dark chocolate, or if you don't want to use the chocolate, it's all up to you. And there is another serving option as well. I'm taking this one serving tray and I'm crumbling this half cup cake in the tray, and I will add 2 to 3 spoons of mango pulp on cupcake, and then I will add the mousse on the top and spread evenly, and the rest of the half cupcake, and then I will spread the mango pulp and banana and some blueberries. It's all optional. You can add your choice of fruit if you want. I like banana in the pudding and this mousse, so I'm adding this banana and raspberries. And the spread mousse evenly on the top. And I'm going to use this same piping bag, and I will make these drop on the tray so that will look like, you know, nicely even. And I will spread the cocoa powder on the top with the help of the strainer. So after completing all the garnishing, keep it in the refrigerator for around 3 hours, at least 3 hours, and after 3 hours it's ready to eat, and that's how it looks. I hope you all like this mango mousse recipe, and if you have any question, do let me know by comments below, and thank you so very much for watching.